Grandma, what do you want to show me? Wormy, can you do this? I don't know. Let's try. I don't have a finger. Can I use your finger? Okay, we'll be a team. I'll use my finger and then you make the noise. It's a funny sound. Okay, ready? I'm ready. There. Let's see who else can do it. I think you've got the nicest lips. Okay, Grandma. I'm like an expert. Let's see who else has funny lips. Funny lips. Grandma, I think I could do it. Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. That's silly. I like doing those sounds. I like sounds. Oh, who else? Who else wants to do funny things with their lips? Who else? Grandma, I don't think I can do it. I don't have lips. See? It's just a sad face. Oh, I'm sorry, honey, but doing really isn't that important. Okay, Grandma. I don't know who else has lips like yours. Let's look. Let's look. Grandma, I think I can do it. I got a really nice mouth. So does Nemo. Let's go. Okay, let's try it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh, wait a minute. You got my finger. Sorry, Grandma. I was so excited. Grandma, can I try it? Yes, Nemo, but don't bite my finger. Pee-Pee bite my finger. But he didn't mean to. Did it hurt? No, his mouth is soft. But you have lots of teeth, so you be careful, okay? Okay, Grandma. Let's count. 1, 2, 3. Ha, that was fun. I don't know who else has a big mouth like me. Well, I think my finger's getting tired, so I don't think we'll do any more. Thanks, Grandma. That was so much fun. Bye, everybody. I love all you little boys and girls. And I love you, Grandma. I do. Oh, I love you too, Nemo. Thanks for using your mouth to make sounds. Oh, no problem.